Okay everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a very simple way of making scrunchies. So I'm going to be using this material here. It is about 7 inches in width, and the length is, there you go, 44. So the length is 44 and 7 inches in width. So to start, you want to fold it like so. This is the inside of the fabric. Fold it and sew it on one side. Okay. Next, you want to open it up like so. You want to fold this in, okay, the outside. Then you want to fold this on top of it. So we're gonna be sewing this. So you're not sewing that. So make sure when you're sewing, you're only sewing 2 layers. Okay, so I'm gonna start from here. Okay, it doesn't really matter where you start from because we're gonna be pulling it out to sew all the way around. So I'm gonna start from here, then I'll show you how to complete it. So then when you get to the bottom, you pull more out. So just keep pulling on the inside, and so the rest of the area that is still not sewn will come out until you finish. Okay, so keep pulling and carry on sewing until you're finished. And when we get to the end, we're gonna leave a little bit of a gap so that we can fit in the elastic. And so this is the end. So here, so I'm just gonna finish sewing here and then leave a bit of a gap. Okay, so there's a little big gap here. There's a little bit of a gap here, so we're gonna pull it out, inside out. So that's the gap that we left behind. And so this is my elastic. Okay, I'm gonna use that and fit it in with the safety pin. Okay, and then just fit in. I'm gonna pin one end to the gap here so that it doesn't disappear into the okay. So there you go, just fit that in. It's a very large scrunchie. Okay, so this is it. I'm gonna zigzag this down. And then what you want to do is that little gap that we left behind, you want to close that off. You're out of scrunchie. There you go. Nice and simple, very effective way of making a scrunchie. This will make a perfect stocking filler present for Christmas. And so thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on my next tutorial.